Hi everyone, welcome to JVN Testing Tutorials. This session is regarding the mock interview. Okay, so what you have learned from the day 1 to day 6, the topics you have learned from the day 1 to day 6. So today I am conducting the mock interview for you all. So first, first, who want to attend the mock interview from this group? Yes, who want to attend the first mock interview? Please raise your hand. Okay. Yes. Okay. Wait for the 1 minute. Yes. Okay. Jesh. Jesh, are you there? Okay. Next, Sadvika. Yes, Jesh. On your mic. Jesh, your voice is not audible. Okay, next, Sadvika. Sadvika, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Yes. Okay. So, can we start? Sadvika, introduce yourself.
Sir,
Introduce yourself.
my name is Sadvika, sir. I am from Siddipet. Uh, I completed my BTech in Indur Institute of Engineering and Technology in the stream of ECE
Okay.
with CGPA of 7.7.
Okay.
My hobbies are
It's
watching TV, playing video games.
okay. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay. What is software testing?
It is to execute the software application and finding the defects in a software application is known as software testing.
Okay. Why testing is important?
Because in an application we have any errors, so for find outing that we have to go to testing.
Okay.
If there is no testing, we will face lots of problems in an application. So that to avoid that errors in an application, we have to go for testing.
Okay. What is the difference between manual testing and automation testing?
Automation testing is like an human effort, but automation means by using some tools like Selenium and Taskco. By using the tools, we can do the testing. By manual testing means the man should be do own without using any tools. The man should do overall testing.
Okay. So what is SDLC?
Yeah.
What is SDLC?
SDLC means software development life cycle. Uh, it is used. It will explain about implementation of an activity of a project from day one to end of the project.
Okay. Just tell me what are the implementation activities?
Um, Collection the information or requirements requirements gathering and feasibility studies, design phase, uh, development or coding, next testing, next deployment or installation, finally maintenance phase.
Okay. What is waterfall model?
Water flow model is one of the sequential model, and it is used for only small projects. In this, the project is done by step-by-step procedure. Uh, in this, the project while we are developing an application, it cannot be changed further.
Okay.
In this, there
What?
is no
Okay. So what is verification in V model?
verification in V model. In this process, document verification is done. Uh, in this, it will verifies the LLD, HLD, SRS documents against requirement is known as verification. This verification process is done by the testers before the software development. It is and verification is an quality assurance process.
Okay. Good. What is spiral model?
Spiral model is nothing but it is only applicable for big projects only.
Okay.
Uh, it is also a step-by-step process uh, to it will
Actually,
come.
when we need to choose the spiral model, main purpose of choosing the spiral model.
Uh, if the customer want to change the application features or something, changing requirements. If any changing in requirements, we are go for the spiral.
Okay. What is prototype model?
Prototype model. If the customer or client have any confused in developing and software, uh, if we have any not clarity about the project, so we are go for the prototype model.
Okay. Okay.
In this, we are only creating a just a sample or a dummy application.
Okay. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So Sadvika, very good.
And
See, I have asked 10 questions, okay, for you.
okay,
So out of 10 questions, 9 answers is correct. Okay.
okay, sir.
So you need to perfect with the in spiral model. Need to improve in spiral model. Okay. See
Okay,
that
sir.
model. Need to you need to improve in the spiral model. So out of 10
Okay,
questions, 9 answers is correct. One answer is related to spiral model. You need to improve in the spiral model. Okay.
okay, sir.
Done. Very good. Nice. Okay. You can love
Thank
the
you.
meet.
Okay.
Next, who is ready? Jayanth, yes. Now the net issue is cleared.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Okay. First Jay is like, okay, okay. Yes, here.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, audible, audible.
Okay.
Yes. So introduce yourself in a short and sweet way. In a one single sentence or two lines is enough.
Sure, sir. So, my name is Jayanth and I am from Hyderabad. I completed my graduation from Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management in 2019. And currently, I'm working for Genpack as a report analyst. And I'm carrying over 3 years of work experience in Genpack.
Yes, very nice. Okay. So you want to shift to non-IT to IT now, right?
Yes, sir. Semi IT to IT. I work as a report analyst. In that, I used to work on Power BI and Excel only.
Okay, okay, okay. Very nice. Okay. Sure. After completion of the course, definitely I will help you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Okay. So what is testing?
So basically, testing is nothing but verification of an application. Whenever there is a new product is launched, and we need
Okay.
to do testing. Testing is important because we can ensure that there are no defects or any problems before the product is going into the market.
Okay. Can you explain me what is the difference between product and a project based application?
Uh, yes, sir. So basically, project-based application is like we have our own product. Let's say there are product based companies. Google is a self product own product itself.
Okay.
Facebook is a own product. And when coming up to project based up will let's say there is our third party involvement in it. We will do as a service to that project.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Can you explain me about feasibility study meeting in SDLC?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So in SDLC, feasibility goes into the second stage.
Okay.
So, in feasibility study, we will see what are the requirements that we need to develop for the project. After gathering the information from the BA, all the resources gathering will go into the feasibility study. The human resource, the tools we need to, the people we need to hire, all will go into the feasibility study.
Okay. What is HLD and LLD?
Uh, HLD is like a high level design and LLD is a low level design.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is this high level and what is this low level?
So high level design, it's like done by the architects. So from starting to the ending of the project, well, coming up to the low level design is developed by the developers of each modules or
Okay.
sub modules. Yeah.
Okay, done. Very nice. Okay. So can you explain me about RAD model?
Rapid application development model. It comes under the integration testing in RAD model. Basically, we will do for the large projects. In this, we will bifurcate each into sub models. We will part each and everything, and it will be developed fastly.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is waterfall model?
A waterfall model is a sequential model. So in this model, there is no verification part. Validation is done. So
Okay.
we will select waterfall model when there is a client requirement is constrained. There is no
Okay.
upgradation or change in the project.
Okay, done. Very nice. What is prototype model?
A prototype model is like a sample model. When client does not know the A to Z details of his requirement, we will show a sample piece. This is how the product will be. So according to that, the client requirement can be obtained.
Okay. So
Yeah.
actually, what is this? You have explained in the waterfall model. This only validation will take place, right? So what is that validation and what is that verification actually?
Validation is documentation verification like LLD, SSD, SRS. But
Okay.
verification is not done.
Actually, what is verification?
Verification is like what are it the application is meeting up to the client requirement or not.
Okay. What is validation?
Validation is like a the documentation like HLD and LLD. We will validate the HLD LLD documents.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Jayanth, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Jayanth. So, I have asked 10 questions. Okay. Out of these 10 questions, see, uh, you are in a confusion between the verification and validation. Please check that. Okay. Once watch the video of the verification and validation in the V model. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You have explained opposite.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yes. You have explained correct only, but opposite you have explained. Okay. Please check that.
okay,
And coming to these product based applications and project based applications also need to improve in that one. Okay.
okay,
Like see, you have explained only like a product, like example you have taken, but you didn't explain like this will use for the multiple users, this will use for the only single user. You didn't explain this
okay.
point. Okay, this point is mandatory. Okay, please check that
Got it.
point. Okay, only
Sure,
two
sure,
two answers. Only two answers is wrong. Okay, 8 answers is
sure.
perfect. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, done. Very nice. Next, who is ready? Amrin. Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes. Introduce yourself in a short and sweet one-line sentence.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening.
I'm Amrin from Chennai. I completed B Civil Engineer uh, in the year of 2020. I had a career gap because of my marriage. So I am
Okay,
interested
okay.
in working in IT. So I chosen testing.
Okay, sure. No problem. I will help you with the career gap also. Okay. How to go with the career gap and how to crack the job in the career gap also. Okay. After the course completion, everything I will help you in that one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay. Chalo done.
you.
So
Okay, sir.
super. Okay. Next, what is testing?
Testing. To find out the defects in the software application is called testing.
Okay.
To
So
find out
why
the defects
testing?
in the software application.
Okay. Why testing is important?
To find out the any error or any to find out the error or defects in the software application is testing is important. If there is no testing now, the application may fail.
Okay.
In order to avoid that, testing is very important.
Okay. Done. So in the automation testing, what are the tools is available to test the application?
Tools like Selenium, those.
Your microphone is your background is getting noise. Please check that one.
Okay, now
Continue now.
In automation testing, we can use the tools like Selenium and Tosco.
Okay.
Selenium, Tosco.
Yes. What is SDLC and what are how many phases are there in SDLC and what are there?
SDLC is the software development life cycle. Uh, it is implement the activities of the project from starting to ending. There are seven phases,
Okay.
seven phases in the SDLC, like requirement, gathering requirements, feasibility study, design, design space, coding, testing, installation, and maintenance space.
Okay. So can you explain me about first phase, requirement gathering or collection phase? Actually, what happens in this in that phase?
Requirement gathering, analytics will be go to the client location and gather the requirements in the form of CRS and BRS. The document is will be converted into SRS software because the tester and develop because for the tester and developer the document will be converted into SRS because CRS and BRS will be understood only by the business analysis. For BA should be business BA should be good in qualification like communication skill, technical skill, domain expert.
Okay. Okay. What is waterfall model?
Sir, what is
Waterfall model. Waterfall model.
what? Um, it is the step by step procedure or a standard procedure to develop a new software. Waterfall is suitable only for the small size projects. In waterfall model only validation will be take place, there is no verification process.
Okay. What is validation?
What validation? um,
Yes.
validation is a functionality of the application by executing test case. It is done by the tester, uh, is done by the tester after the software development. Validation is a QC process. QC means quality control process.
Okay. So when we choose spiral model,
Spiral model we choose if the any when we choose any
yes.
frequently customer required any changes in the model means we will use to choose the spiral model.
Okay. What is prototype?
Prototype, when the customer requirement is not clear or they are confused with the uh, for their when they are confused with their requirement, we go for the prototype application to show the uh, uh, like sample to show the sample. If we if the customer requirement was confused, we go for the sample requirement. It's called the prototype.
Okay. Okay, Amrin. Very nice. So I have asked you 10 questions. Okay. Out of this
Mm.
10 questions, so all the 10 answers are correct, but you need to improve fast. See, when I'm
Okay,
asking the
sir.
question, exactly you need to catch that question and answer fastly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But
Mm.
all answers are correct. Okay. All answers, whatever I have
Okay.
asked the questions, all answers are correct, but you need to improve more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Communication in
Thank
communication. Okay. Done.
you. Okay, sir. Mm. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next.
Hello, sir.
Who is ready?
Hello.
Jayesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So introduce yourself in a one single sentence.
Yes, sir. My name is Jay Sampath Abanga. I live in Mumbai. I done BE in Electronic and Telecommunication from RIT College, Navi Mumbai.
Okay. Very nice. Okay. So what is software?
What is software? Software is a collection of computer program that will help to that will help to us to perform the tasks. There are three types of software. First is programming software, application software, and third is first is programming software, second is application software, and third is desktop application.
Okay. What is testing?
Testing means the process to find the bug in software is known as software testing.
Actually, why we need to find the bug?
We need to find the bug because we don't know that the software is bug free or not. That is why we need testing. Then after we go to maintenance, deliver to the client.
Okay. What is manual testing?
Manual testing is nothing but doing manually, and this is done by human.
Okay. No issues. No issues.
Yes.
Okay. What is SDLC?
Software developer life cycle is the process. Is done by IT industry to test, to design, to test, to design, to develop and test the application by end user. There are seven phases. First is requirement analyze, requirement gathering. Second is flexibility study, design, coding, testing, maintenance, and installation. Installation and maintenance.
Okay. So in design phase, what is HLD and LLD?
Design means they design in sample in paper and convert them into coding, then testing, maintenance, installation, then maintenance.
Okay. Okay, done. So Jayesh, are you not following the classes?
Yes, sir.
Following or not following?
Following.
Following. Okay.
Yes.
So see, I have asked you 7 questions. Okay. Out of 7 questions, you have answered only 3 answers is correct. SDLC is perfect. Okay. Testing is perfect. And why it is bug free means it is perfect. Okay. The 3 answers is correct.
Okay.
Okay. Rest of all the questions you need to improve. What is HLD? What is LLD? Okay. What is manual testing? Actually, what is software also you need to improve in that question. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So watch the classes. Okay. Whatever the classes I have explained, okay, day 1 to day 6 only. Okay. Watch the
Yes.
classes and attend the mock interview again. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Fine. Next, who is ready? Raise your hand or else I will call the name. Yes, Jyothi.
Hi. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay. So introduce yourself.
I'm Jyothi. I'm from Anandapur. I have 4.5 years experience in Wipro and
Okay.
senior associate.
Wipro, non-IT.
Yeah,
What is the process?
senior associate. It's like something
Process.
related. Process will be like it is related to non-IT.
Okay. No issues. Okay. So what is software testing?
Software testing is nothing but up to finding the defects in any of the application. We are going to check the functionality of the application. Like if you find any defects means uh, that is called software testing.
Okay. So what is the difference between manual and automation?
Manual testing is nothing but with the human efforts, we are going to write the test case that is called the manual testing. And automation testing is nothing but here we are going to use that some tools like Selenium and Tosca, like etc. We'll be using.
Okay. So can you explain me about the product and project based applications?
Product is nothing but like multiple users will be we will be using this one like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. Project is nothing but it is for only for particular users like banking applications.
Okay. What are the banking applications is available?
S- SBI like would be like, right?
Okay. Fine.
Like
Okay. What is SDLC and how many phases are there in SDLC, and can explain any phase in SDLC?
software development life cycle, like implementation activities of the project from day one to the like end of the project. It is a SDLC process. Like there are like some steps will be there. Requirement gathering, feasibility study, design phase, and coding and testing, installation, and maintenance.
Okay.
I will explain requirement gathering.
Okay.
Like a BA will go to the client location. They will collect the requirements. What are the requirements of the client? And it will be available in the CRS and BRS, like it is in the form of a CRS and BRS document. Like that will be understandable only business people. Like it after that, business BA will convert it into SRS document. Why will be like a software like developer and testers will not understand the BRS and CRS document. That's why BA will convert it into the SRS document. Like testers and so like developers will understand. So he will be converted into the SRS document.
Okay. So what are the incremental models are available? Incremental
Sequential
or
mod.
iterative? Iterative model also. Yes. What are the models is available?
Can you please repeat again question?
Yes. What are the incremental or iterative models are available? Means what are the types is available
Okay.
in the
A
incremental or
rapid,
iterative?
rapid model, spiral model, prototype, and agile model.
Okay. So can you explain me about spiral model?
Spiral model is nothing but we have the customer have to change the requirement frequently dynamically. We'll choose the spiral model. If any requirements they have to add in the middle means, so we'll go for spiral model.
Okay. So can you tell me one example about means you have explained like dynamically changing, right? So can you tell me one example about the application? Which application is dynamically or frequently changing in
Like
our
some products will be changing, right? In any of the application, like prices will be changing, or some products will be added to the like extra, right? And add some Flipkart will take the Flipkart or Amazon, anything will take now. Prices are like
yes,
some items will be added, right?
yes,
So
yes,
at that time we'll go for the spiral model.
yes, very nice. Okay. So what are the sequential models are available?
Sequential model is available like waterfall model, V model.
Okay. What is V model?
V model is nothing but we'll be checking the like side by side, like a testing will be tester will be checking the side by side like some like in another type of models. They will be checking after the completion of the project, right? Here we'll be checking the side by side, like parallelly they will be checking the in-view model.
Okay. Okay, done. So Jyoti, very perfect. Okay. So see, I have asked you 10 questions. Okay. In the 10 questions, you have answered 9 questions perfect. 100% perfect. Okay.
Yeah, I feel so after a long time, right? I feel so tensed, like I'm
Okay.
so
Okay.
that's
Okay,
why.
no issues. Okay. So one question is, see, in the V model, see, you need to improve more in the V model. Okay.
Yeah, I know answer, but I'm not able to. Like next time I will improve. No
Yes.
worries.
Yes. Need to improve in the V model. So rest of the all questions is correct.
Weekly, if possible, weekly conduct one like this.
Yes.
So in
Yes.
interview time, it will be easy for like attending the interviews and will be explaining
Yes.
very
That's
clearly
why.
like this.
That's why only I'm conducting this mock interview actually. See,
Thank you
every
for
weekend I will conduct
every
even
weekend at least not 10 questions. If possible, ask 2 3 questions also okay. Like
okay.
clear will go right.
Yes,
So
yes, yes, correct.
thank you.
Okay,
I
done.
will improve.
Okay, nice. Next, Venkatesh. Yes, are you there, Venkatesh?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi friends. My name is Venkatesh from Khammam. I completed my BTech in Swarnabharat Institute of Science and Technology with mechanical engineering.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's okay. So can you tell me how the software testing has formed? Means, I mean history.
yeah. Before 2001, developers only develop the application and they only test the application. In that time, they faces a lot of issues in at the end of the application. So all the IT company CEOs combine together and um, they conduct a meet. In that meet, what they finalize, we need a testing team. Why? Because previously 70% of the applications are failed because of testing only. That's why after 2001 they conduct a meet, and after that they formed testing. We need a separate testing department to test the application.
Very good, Venkatesh. Okay. So we will get the requirement, whatever the client requirement is there, right? So that client requirement we will be get in the by CRS, BRS documents, right? So actually
Yes,
what,
yes.
yes, what is the document? CRS means what? BRS means what? Can you
CRS is
explain here?
nothing but customer requirement specification, and BRS is business requirement specification. Both are the same. And in the customer requirement specification, this is in the it is prepared by the BA only. It is in
Yes.
yeah.
Are you there? Yes. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So actually what happens in the feasibility study meeting?
Yeah, in
Why
the feasibility
actually that
study.
feasibility? Yes, continue.
Yeah, in the feasibility study, all the peoples in the software company, which means business analyst, project manager, HR team, development team, architect team. Uh, these all are combined together and uh, conduct a meet. In this meet, uh, with the help of CRS or BRS. Um, First, architect team, they are going with the low level design, high level design. Within the high level design, which software or which programming language we need to improve our application. Uh, this is they are finding, and in the HR. in the HR, how many resources are we need. These are
Okay.
and yes.
Okay.
Those all are conduct meet in this meet. If we take the project with our resources, we complete the project or not. Uh, this
Okay.
is the done.
Okay. What is HLD and LLD?
HLD is the high level design and LLD is the low level design. The high level design is done by the senior architect. And LLD is a low level design. It will be done by senior developer. It is feature based. High level design. Sorry, low level design is feature based, and high level design normally module based.
Okay. What are the drawbacks of waterfall model?
Drawbacks of waterfall model is if any changes are there, so we are not able to change the requirements in between in middle of the application.
Okay. Okay, Venkatesh.
Yeah, thank you.
See, okay, see, can I give the feedback?
Okay, okay, sure.
Yes, okay, see. I have asked you 5 questions, okay?
Yes,
So, in that 5 questions, you have explained very well about the history of the software testing and very well about the HLD and LLD, okay?
yes,
And CRS, SRS, BRS also you have explained very well. But see, in the feasibility study meeting, you have explained correct only, but you need to improve more in that topic, okay?
okay, okay,
Need to improve in this feasibility study meeting and need to improve in the drawbacks of waterfall model also.
okay.
Got it?
Yes, yes.
Rest of the all the answers is fine. Very nice.
Okay, okay.
Okay, done. Next, who is available? Vikas. Yes. Introduce yourself, Vikas.
Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, Vikas, audible.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes, introduce yourself in a two single sentences.
Sorry, sir, I can't understand.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
Yes.
Okay, introduce myself. Okay, sir. Sorry. My name is Vikas Yadav. I'm live in Delhi. So I'm complete my graduation in 2017.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. So what is software testing?
So identify the defect in software application. It's called software testing.
Actually, why we need to identify the defects?
For to give the software to the customer in good quality. That's why we test the software.
Okay. If we not give the good quality means what happens in that case?
So 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 it's like if not we give the software to the customer in good quality, so it might affect the customer business.
Very nice, Vikas. Very good. But you are tensioning. Why you are tensioning? I don't know. Let's cool, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, what is HLD and LLD?
So HLD stands for external design, and LLD stands for internal design. So if we take any application, develop the main module, it is called HLD, and if we take any application, develop the each and every module in detail, it's called LLD design.
Okay, what is main module and what is each and every module? Can you explain me
So
about that?
yes, sir. Like we take for example Gmail. If it like we take Gmail application, we module like like we design the compose module, inbox module,
Okay,
like this, and each and every means. Sorry.
okay, okay. No issues. What is SDLC?
So SDLC is software development life cycle. There are seven stages: requirement collection, feasibility study, design, coding, testing, implementation, and maintenance.
Actually, what is this SDLC that you have
Okay.
explained?
Okay. Oh, what
Yes.
SDLC? SDLC is a step-by-step procedure to develop a new software. And there are
Okay,
seven stages: requirement collection, feasibility study, design, coding, testing, installation, and maintenance.
okay. What is verification and validation?
So in verification, we verify the document part like CRS, SRS, design, HLD, and LLD. It's called verification. In validation, we verify the uh, functionality of the software.
Okay. Can you repeat? Sorry.
So in validation, we can check the software. We can verify the functionality of the software. It's good or not.
Okay. In verification?
In verification, we verify the document parts like CRS, SRS, HLD, LLD. It's called
Okay, okay,
verification.
okay. Nice. Okay, why spiral model is called incremental model?
So because in same process we can repeat it again and again. That's why called iterative model.
Okay. What is the abbreviation of RAD? RAD.
RAD and
RAD, only RAD. What is the abbreviation of RAD? RAD.
RAD. So
That is a
that I
model,
don't.
one of the
Yes.
model. Yes. Don't know?
No. So that I don't know.
Okay. Okay, Vikas.
Yes, sir.
See, I have asked you 8 questions, okay?
Yes, sir.
So in that 8 questions, you have answered 6 correct answers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 also correct only, but you need to improve in that one. Okay. Which one means C? HLD, LLD.
Yes, sir.
In this topic, you need to improve more. Okay. Once see that
Okay.
session again. Okay. Watch the class again. HLD, LLD class. Okay.
Yes.
And again this RAD also. RAD. RAD model. Yesterday's
Okay.
class. Okay.
Okay.
So in
Okay.
these classes, you need to improve more. Okay. Rest of the all the
Everything.
answers is perfect. Yes.
Okay.
Everything is perfect.
Thank
Okay. Done. Done, Vikas. Next. Who is available? Next. No one is available. Okay, I will call the name then. Manikanta.
Yes, bro.
Manikanta, are you there? Yes.
Yes,
Introduce yourself.
yes, bro. My name is Pawan. Uh, Genpa Templar. I have experience, nearly 3 years experience of uh, in Genpad as a content moderation.
Okay. So Jayanth is your fan.
Jayanth.
Okay, okay. Okay. Good. Okay. So continue in that only. Okay. After completion of the course, definitely I will help you. Okay.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Chalo. So yes. What is the difference between product and project base?
Product based is, um, users can use the application.
Actually, your microphone is not working properly. Disturbance is coming. Not, it's not clear your voice.
One second. So now it's clear.
Yes, now it's clear.
So uh, product based is where we where the multiple users can use the application, and product based is where single users can use the application like financial uh, applications like banking setups.
Oh, okay. Okay. Can you give me any one example related to automation testing? So which I have explained, don't give that example. Take another example and tell me that one.
Automation testing is where we can test the application in tool like Selenium, Cucumber, Tesco. So
Hmm.
in the tool we test the application and
Yes, correct. Okay, but Cucumber is not a tool. Okay, Cucumber is one of the framework. Okay.
okay.
Yes. So can you give me any example related to automation testing? See, which I have given the example, don't give that example. You can tell me another example. See, which example I have given in the class
Uh,
for the
like
automation testing?
washing machine where
Ah,
we
yes. Yes. So you can relate to that washing machine and tell me any one another example. Automation machine. So
yeah
many automation machines is there, right?
yes. So,
Okay, no issues. Can I give any hint?
please come again.
Can I give any hint?
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Yes. See, uh, washing machine is one of the automation tool, right?
Yes, sir.
So same example, you can take any machine like automation machine. See, for example, in our daily life, we used to drink means juices, right?
Yes, sir.
Drink the juices. So how it's made the juices?
Yes. Before we used to do by hand by squeezing. Now we are
Y-
using grinders. Uh,
Yes,
we-
yes,
this is
that is one of the automation tool, right?
and also nowadays we are getting roti makers machines also.
Yes, exactly. So these are all comes under automation tools, right? So
Yes.
same way, at the same way also in the testing also. So previous days, olden days, now also it's doing manually, but automation, preferring more automation nowadays. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
tools like Selenium, Tosco, okay, JMeter tools also available. Okay,
Yes.
Visual Studio tools available. Okay, those are the tools we are
Yes.
using
Yes.
our day in our testing. Okay,
Yes, sir.
yes, good. Okay, so what is SDLC?
SDLC software development lifecycle. It is a step-by-step process where the application development uh, uh, starts from. There are seven types of SDLC. One is requirement gathering, feasible study, uh, coding, um, testing, installation, and maintenance.
Okay. Yes. So actually, who is BA? What is the role of the BA?
BA is a business and analyst where the uh, where the connection between the client and company. So he collect the client requirement in BRS or SRS document.
Yes.
Uh, then he will prepare a some document where the uh, developers understand.
Okay. What is a
Yes, sir.
okay? What is the inner look of an application? Let's take example of WhatsApp application. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
So what is the inner look of an WhatsApp application? Means low level design.
Low level design. Yes, sir.
Yes. So can you explain the inner look of an WhatsApp application? See, in the class I have explained the inner look of an application. I have taken the Gmail application, right?
Yes, sir.
So inner looks comes under, say, compose, inbox, sent mail,
Yes,
trash, draft.
yes,
Those are all comes under inner look, right? So let's
yes,
take the example of the WhatsApp application. Okay.
yes, sir.
So what are the inner look is available in the WhatsApp application?
Inner look of the WhatsApp is mainly we send the messages. So uh,
Mm, yes. So
we
what is
need
the name for that module? For sending the messages, what is the name for that module? Open your WhatsApp.
uh, uh, yes, sir. So
Yes.
mainly we need chart charts,
Yes. Chat.
uh, chart status,
Yes.
calls,
Correct. Yes.
communities,
Yes.
settings.
Yes, correct. Those are all comes under inner look of an
No,
WhatsApp application. Okay.
yes, sir.
Clear right now?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, Pavan. See. Okay. So you're giving correct answers only. All of the most of the answers are correct only, but you are why you are getting, means you are getting tension. Why? I don't know.
Yeah. Uh,
Okay.
yes,
Yes, you are trying to give the best answers only. Okay. Whatever you have answered, that is all the correct only, correct answers only. But see, you need to improve your means communication skills. Okay.
yes,
Uh, Not sure that communication skills, but you are getting tension.
yes,
That's
yes.
yes.
Right. Yeah, I'll
So
be sure.
attend like this only mock interviews. Okay, you will be
Yeah.
free by attending these mock interviews. You will be free. Okay.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Okay, then perfect. Next, already the I think Jayesh is completed. Ram Krishna and Ram Jayam is pending, right? Okay, Ram Krishna.
Hi,
Yes. Hi, Ram Jayam. Okay. So can you introduce yourself?
I am Ramjam. I am from Chennai. I have completed B Computer Science Engineering.
Okay.
I have studying degree completed 2017. I have worked in non-IT 3.5 years experience, and I am looking for new IT job.
So automation is completely deals with the tools and including the programming languages like Java and Python, etc. And we have to use different programming tools like Selenium uh, and other Bagnizer tools, and some of the latest tools are there. So we have to use them. Use them actually to test the same scenarios only, but we have to use the tools like Selenium and some latest tools.
Okay. What is SDLC and what are the phases in SDLC?
Okay, SDLC, for first of all, SDLC is very important for testing, and SDLC means software development life cycle, and it includes totally 7 phases, I think so. And first of all is requirements gathering, feasibility testing, and third one is design. And the fourth one is I think coding, and fifth one is testing, and sixth one is maintenance. Sixth one is I think sixth one is seventh one is maintenance, and sixth one is um, implementation of the particular implementation of the testing. I think so. Yeah, sorry, termination or implementation of the application.
Okay. So in the first phase, requirement gathering phase, so BA will convert BRS into SRS document, right?
Yes.
So what is the reason to convert that BRS into SRS document?
Actually, BRS document is understandable by only the business BA and the client. And for SRS, we have the BRS document need to be understand by developers and the software testers. So, in software terminology, the BA should convert them into uh, convert them into software SRS software requirement specifications. So the testers and the developers are easy with the documents. What are the requirements that are given by the client?
Okay.
Easy to understand by the developers.
Yes. Okay. So in the design phase, HLD, LLD documents will be there, right? Those are
Uh,
called documents, but it's a high level design and low level design, right? So
okay.
take the Instagram application and explain what are the high level. So what we need to do in the high level and what we need to do in the low level in the Instagram application.
Actually, low level design means just the basic design. I think so. Basic design means the Instagram while opening the application, the Instagram logo, just opening the home screen. Sorry for the request message and the followers. These are on the basic design. So I think so. These are comes under the low level design, and for each followers home page each module there is certain specifications. After by clicking the home page, we have to read feed by scrolling up and down, and we have to send a request for a friend or something under and we have to message them by clicking the names of the friends. So these are comes under high level design.
Mm, okay. Can you explain me about a waterfall model?
Waterfall model, actually the waterfall model is suitable for low level projects, small size projects. The waterfall and in waterfall model, the adding of requirements by the client or customer can't be done. Can't be done, and it is not an iterative model. For while giving the BRS or SRS application, after converting them, we have to done step by step only. We cannot go return back to the other step after that. After testing, if does not works only, we have to get on adding on the steps. So if it work properly, we cannot go for the further step. Directly we have to implement that one. Um and the waterfall model and the testing is after done only after coding. That while coming to another